Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up your Wix Payments account. If you're looking to simplify the way you handle transactions on your website, you're in the perfect place. Setting up your Wix Payments account not only makes the payment process smoother for your customers, but it also allows you to manage everything directly from your Wix site. This is especially beneficial for business owners who want to keep everything in one place without needing to jump between multiple platforms. Let's get started with the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix site dashboard. If you're not sure where to find this, simply navigate to the Wix website and use your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, you need to head over to the Settings section. Here is where you'll find all the options for customizing your site's functionality. Look for the tab labeled Accept Payments. This section is essentially the command center for all your payment processing needs. Once you've located the Accept Payments tab, it's time to connect your account to Wix Payments. You will notice an option to click Connect right next to Wix Payments. By connecting, you unlock the ability to accept payments directly through your website, which opens up a world of possibilities for your business. It's a key step that ensures your customers have a seamless checkout experience. After clicking Connect, you'll need to decide which payment methods you want to offer. Wix Payments offers a variety of options, from credit cards to other digital payment solutions. Think about what would be most convenient for your customers. For example, if you have international clients, you might want to enable payment methods that are popular in their regions. Enable the toggles for the payment methods you want to include, and then click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll need to complete the setup by clicking Complete Setup. This part involves a bit more detail, so take your time with it. You'll be asked to specify your business type. This is an important step as it helps Wix tailor their services to your needs. If you're operating as an individual, perhaps as a freelancer or contractor, you would select Individual or Sole Proprietorship. Here, you'll need to provide some personal information and a brief description of your business. On the other hand, if your business structure is more complex, such as a partnership, incorporated company, or even a nonprofit organization, you should select the relevant option. You will need to provide both business information and any necessary personal details. Depending on your region, there may be additional business types available that align more closely with local business definitions, so be sure to choose the one that fits your situation best. You'll need to fill out more detailed information. This includes your identification information, which is crucial for verifying your account, as well as your address and bank details where payments will be deposited. It's important to ensure that this information is accurate, as it impacts how your payments are processed. Additionally, provide a clear description of what your business entails to help Wix understand your operations better. Once all these fields are completed, take a moment to review the terms and conditions, as well as any associated service fees. Understanding these aspects is critical for your financial planning and ensures that you comply with Wix's requirements. After you've read through everything, check the box to accept the terms and then click Submit. Congratulations, your account is now ready to go, and you can start processing payments directly through your Wix site. It really is that straightforward. Remember, setting up Wix Payments not only enhances your customer's experience, but also streamlines your business operations, making everything easier to manage. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to set up your Wix Payments account. If you want more videos like how to set up your Wix Payments account, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online,